It's the season of fresh strawberries, and there are so many desserts that you can plan. But the one thing I make every year is a homemade strawberry jam. This recipe is super easy that doesn't require any fancy ingredient. This is Truffle Nation and I'm Chef Kirti Labra with my Bake Along series where we make simple everyday recipes that you can make at your own kitchen. So before we begin, I hope you have subscribed to our channel and make sure that you hit the bell icon for our weekly recipe updates. As we are making a strawberry jam, using farm fresh strawberries is super important. So make sure that you have a hold on red ripened strawberries that are nicely washed. Now we are going to chop them into small pieces. Make sure that you remove these green buds. We are going to cut each strawberry into 4 pieces. So all the strawberries are chopped. We are going to use a heavy bottom saucepan in which I am going to cook the strawberries with sugar. For this recipe, I am using castor sugar. It has small granules which easily melt on heating, and unlike the icing sugar, it has quite less impurities. Next, we'll add in some cream of tartar. Cream of tartar will prevent any unwanted crystallization of the sugar, giving us a smooth lump-free jam. In case you do not have cream of tartar, you can also use half teaspoon of lemon juice. Lastly, we'll add some fresh lemon zest. I really like the lemony fragrance as it gives the jam a fresh aroma. Now all we have to do is cook the jam on medium heat until it becomes thick. As you can see, the sugar has completely melted. Now we'll use a hand blender to puree the fruits into a smooth consistency. We will continue to cook the jam until it becomes thick. So after 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, our jam has become really thick and has got this nice red color. Here we are using strawberries which are rich in fruit pectin, and that's why the jam naturally thickens without the use of additional thickeners. But in case if you are making apple jam or peach jam, then you might need to add some fruit pectin to get a nice thick consistency. So as you can see, our jam is looking super thick. You can check the thickness with the help of a spoon. So we are going to check whether the jam is runny, and if it's ready, it will stick to the back of your spoon just like this. Now this means it's time to bottle up our freshly made jam. We are going to do this while it's hot, as once it cools down, pouring it into a jar can be difficult. We are going to let the jam cool off a little before closing our jar with the lid. And with this, our homemade jam is ready. I really hope you guys try out this recipe and tell me your thoughts on this. Also, I'm going to create the best Victoria cake using this same jam. So I hope you guys are excited for the next tutorial. Till then, bye-bye.